Hi there. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to build a chatbot builder which is integrated to Calendly. Now, most companies have different users with different backgrounds and different needs, and therefore they're willing to redirect and arrange a meeting with those different users with an appropriate and convenient specialist. So in this template, we have used two examples, two cases. The first one, let's take a look at the domain knowledge first. The first case is when the user has a developer background, such as software engineer, software architect, and other backgrounds. And by the way, the AI will get and classify and recognize and classify these backgrounds under developer background if it's not in the list. And this developer background user will be arranged a meeting with a developer background person from the company side. Otherwise, if a user has a different background, non-developer background, then from the company side, a different person would be arranged, and therefore different Calendly link will be used. So you can expand on that and use different other URLs, other Calendly links, and use more examples. Let's take a look at the dialog scenarios. Now, as I have said before, here we are using two cases in our two mock dialog scenarios. The first one is with the web developer background person, and the second one is a non-developer background person. So the default message looks like this. You can edit it if you want to. There are some slots and key variables such as name, email address, the company name, and the background. So in this particular case, web developer background is the case. So in this case, the Calendly link would look like this. And in the second case, where a non-developer is asking to arrange a meeting, for example, an accountant person, a Calendly link would be generated differently. Now, you might ask, if I have my own Calendly URL, where do I show it? You show it in the domain knowledge, and you can also show it here in this particular section. So this is Calendly URL for an accountant person, and this Calendly URL is for a web developer. So they're different. If we look at the slots and actions, and in particular, we're interested in integration part, API integration, we have created our own internal API to communicate with Calendly link. So it's a ready-to-go solution. You can use it. Now let's test the logic. Let's go to the home page and let's test it. Okay, let's start over. Let's book a consultation. Yeah, for example, just any name. gmail.com. The company name is AI Labs. Let's say that I'm a marketing specialist, marketing. Okay, this Calendly link, let's click on that. So it's a non-technical person. Marketing person is a non-technical person. So according to our logic, yeah, the Calendly link is provided for a non-technical person. Okay, let's say that I am a web architect, for example. Yeah, I'm a different person. For example, this is a default, any email address. Let's say Google. Let's say that I am a web architect. Okay, let's take a look at this calendar link and let's check it out. Okay, this is completely different Calendly. So if we compare to this one, it's a different calendar link. So the AI here helps you to classify that person's background, and then redirect it to an appropriate specialist.